Hi everyone. In this video, I just want to give an overview of the course, and I'm going to try to keep things short and succinct. So by the Doodle poll, the class decided that by a couple of votes, so it's really close, that Tuesday evening, that's when we'll meet once a week for our Zoom sessions. Again, these Zoom sessions will be recorded, and I'm going to put them up probably through Echo 360 with a link that you can click in the very module that you'll be working with. So ideally what will happen is that when you, for those of you who are looking at the video recordings, when you go into each module, when the video is uploaded and ready to be viewed, a link will appear in that module for you to click on, and you can definitely watch the video directly. But all of it will be stored on Echo 360. So you can also go to the Echo 360 menu on the left of your sidebar on Canvas and also access the video that way. Now, because we picked a Tuesday evening Zoom session, and then the recording will go up the next day on Wednesday, hopefully really early in the morning, if not Tuesday night, that kind of shifts our schedule a little bit. So the first thing I want to say is that our class schedule needs to be slightly revised. So the content of the course is the same as the draft syllabus I sent out, but please make sure you get the revised syllabus that's currently posted in Canvas. And look at the schedule and notice that the first Zoom session will be on September 7th, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we're not meeting in the month of the first week of August, because you needed to be able to do the reading first. And so the idea is that you do the reading, and then after you had a chance to do the reading and study the material, our first Tuesday session will be on September 7th, and then the recording of that session will go up on the next day, on the Wednesday. And other than that, there are a couple of changes. So please make sure to read the syllabus carefully through once, the revised one. You'll notice that there is a small change on the assignments. Rather than 2 short papers, I assigned 1 long paper attached to the presentation. So you'll be giving 2 oral presentations, but you get to your group gets to choose which of the 2 oral presentations you want to write your formal paper on. So you'll only be writing 1 paper, but give 2 oral presentations. And for those who are on that can't make it to the sessions, there's actually 2 ways to do the oral presentations. You can work with your group, and those who can't actually attend the session can work behind the scenes and do a lot of the preparatory work so that your classmates can present orally in the Zoom session. Or your group might choose to actually pre-record your presentation. So you can pre-record the presentation, and your presentation video will be played when the Zoom session meets, or classmates can simply play it separately. So go over the sessions, but other than that, the 6 quizzes, the historical project, the reading contract, the final exam are all the same. Some of the due dates have changed. I switched them to Fridays versus Mondays. Another important thing is that the class schedule has changed to reflect the Tuesday Zoom sessions. So a module typically begins on a Thursday and ends on a Wednesday. That allows every person to start the reading. Tuesday, we meet in Zoom to talk about the reading and the material. People who have to rely on recordings can watch it on the following Wednesday. Just follow the schedule. So so the schedule has been revised to reflect the Zoom meetings on Tuesday. And also, there is a slight change in the reading. So I did add an extra section, or split the women in the Greco-Roman household section, so that we cover the issue of masculinity, Paul's understanding of it versus today's hyper, and I think very oftentimes destructive masculinity that's often displayed by celebrity pastors, for example. So those are issues that I think is separate from some of the other things that I want to address in the household codes. So I split it up, and I dedicated another presentation group to reading that material. It's right here. And so I'll go ahead and let you read the syllabus once through, but it's thoroughly revised and ready to go. Please don't forget the appendices that tell you how to do the writing assignments, but all the information should be in the syllabus, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the first day.